Okay, everybody. So, as we are here today on the last day, I am going to share some of the things which I have learned as a teenager, or we can say as I have learned as I have spent my 24 years on this planet. Okay, and anybody who has spent 23, 24, they know a lot. They hold a lot in their life. They have seen a lot, or we can say half of their life. Okay, and if you are 20 or 23, you can learn so many things to anybody. If you want to learn, you can observe. The observation is the best skill which you can. In last 2 years, I have observed so many students, so many people. To myself also, I have realized so many mistakes which I have made. Silly mistakes, big mistakes, small mistakes, and so many things. Okay, so I realize, everybody, as we are today, like nobody will remember this day. Let me tell you. You will remember only because of the pictures we have clicked.
Yes, sir.
This is why I always say making memories is an important part of our life. Make memories, keep clicking pictures, enjoy the moment where you are. I always say, not I always say that one should always enjoy the moment, the present. Because you do not know what future holds. And what happened in the past, you cannot change it. If you are allowed to change it, you will definitely make your life beautiful. In present also, in past also. Okay. So making memories is just an important, super important part of our life. Whenever you look back to the memories which you have made in FEA, just standing in the balcony, talking, getting late in the class, there was a person wearing his specs, scolding. Okay, sir, you are mistake. Okay. I am late, I am not late, I am not late, but not late, auto problem. I am late, I don't know. I left my home at 5 o'clock. But how did I get late? I don't know. Automatically. Sir, I went to play football.
Sir, health issues.
Sir, health issues. Petrol finished, mind finished, sleeping finished, water finished, woke up late. You will body pain. You will really miss these days when nobody will be there. Like yesterday, I remember last moment when I graduated my last session one. There was a girl, she just uploaded the status on the second day of graduation. She was saying, today I was waking up early in the morning. I woke up early in the morning, I wore clothes and all. Then suddenly I got to know I don't need to go college yesterday, coaching today. I am graduate. And I felt, I got overwhelmed. I got filled, I built tears and all that. What like for last 1 year I am learning just okay. I need to know need not to go late. I need not to go late, and today nobody is asking me to come on time. How everything changes just one day. Goodbyes are the part of a life, but it matters that how did you say goodbye? With a positive inspiration, with a negative inspiration. Next, which is related to making memories only, that is just let's learn to live in present, everybody. Living in present very important, because if you are living in future, thinking about future, working for your future, it is okay, but we should not forget to live in present. We should live in present only. Past is past only. There is nothing in past, but we should not forget the learnings from the past. We should always remember our learnings, whatever we have learned in the past, and learn, implement, execute, and go ahead. Next is like, I don't know why was I writing this, valuing relations of humanity for humanity. Valuing relations of humanity for humanity. Like I realized that when you make a relation, like it can be anything, brother, sister. Like I got a very amazing sister in FE, Miss Sadhna Kumari. Like she is amazing. I got as a sister, as an elder sister. So I realized that later on these relations, brother, sister, father, mother, these are just tentative. Let me tell you, all. Even your father, mother, these are tentative. If you are going to. Okay, so these are just tentative relations. We should have a relation with others, or we should hold a relation with others. That is the relation of humanity. humanity, really, your all the relations, whatever you have named them in this on this globe, are going to be super duper okay. If you have humanity, and humanity is very hard term to understand. Let me tell you, this is the main problem. Everybody have decided or made humanity or modified humanities as per their convenience, customs, and other things. Like for some people, eating onion can be a part of humanity. For some people, eating not onion can be part of humanity. So like humanity is very vast term to understand, but people have modified it as per their own views. We should focus on a neutral term which is not supporting any type of customs, any types of I don't want to take these names, any types of communities, any types of backgrounds. You should decide your humanity as per your values, as per your learnings from this entire world. Next is everybody. I realized it very late at the age of, means I would say, or somebody made me realize, let me tell you. I did not realize. People come in our life and go from our life, but they leave learnings behind us. So I realized it very late when I lost some people from my family. The thing is that your family, your world. Your family should be your first priority. If we talk about the human relations in this entire world, your family should be your first priority, and there should be nothing more than your family. Next is this: forgiveness is the best policy. Let's forgive everyone. Today you are sitting here. If you have grudges with someone, just leave it, because I realized it earlier. I used to be a very angry person, like very angry. How do you say this? And I used to be so uncomfortable also with me, like what is happening in my body? What type of vibrations are there? Negative vibrations, impulsive vibrations. When I used to hold for like anger with somebody. Now what I do, if you hit me also by a stone, I will just look at you. I don't know what will be my reaction. Right now I cannot decide what will be my reaction, but I am definitely sure I will not say anything to you, and I will leave. And I will leave. I don't know what will I do, but I am damn sure that I will not get angry. That is something which I have learnt here about forgiveness. Next comes, this is most important thing which I realize: follow the step of living life. Like when we are living life, there are some steps which we should follow. The first comes a socialization, which starts from our home. Our mother starts us socializing with others, then family comes, then college comes, then entire world comes, and we just skip some steps. Our first step should be to value our family. Our second step should be to build a robust career. And third step, fourth step, Okay, I don't want to name them, but still, I have realized it like your first step should be completing your formal education, and second step should be to build a robust career, a good career, where you are satisfied, where you are giving time to your skills, where you are realizing your value, where you are finding yourself value. That should be your robust career. It depends on your personality and personality and appearance and skills. Okay. Next is we are surrounded by the temporary people. Everybody. I wrote this line. Like I have written sections that I will cover this space cover. So people are temporary only. Let me tell you, nothing lasts forever. Everything is temporary. As things are temporary, people are also temporary. Yes. The thing is this: I heard somebody like Mr. Abhinay Sharma. He says everybody comes in life for a time span. Yes, sir. Like somebody comes in your life for 1 day, somebody comes in your life for 1 hour, 1 minute, somebody comes for 2 years, 3 years. Even your parents are also there in your life for some time only. 20 years, 10 years, 30 years, 40 years. Let me tell you. So everybody in your life is just for a temporary time period, and you should be ready for everything. For everything means for everything. Next is no one comes in. This is the last which I wanted to convey here, that which we are doing today also. Saying goodbye is the hardest part of life.
Yes.
Saying goodbye is the hardest part of life, everybody. And but still we have to say goodbye. But it matters that how did you say goodbye? Goodbye. How did you say goodbye? Did you make it a good memory? Did you make it a bad memory? That when you are saying goodbye to others and you know that and there is no chance, when you know there is no chance to meet again,
Yes.
you should have this concern that okay, whatever struggles, whatever the battles, whatever the grudges I had this person, whatever the complaints I had with this person, let's leave and say goodbye to those complaints, grudges, and whatever I had for that person. Let's leave that. Let that person live their life. Let me live my life. I am moving forward with my own companies, with my own people. Again, family. Again, overall, our family should be the priority, which I have realized very late. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share at this last day, and I hope I have shared some, and you will get 1% or 2%. You will try to consume 1% or 2% of it, and let's see how will you improve and how will you implement it, and whatever you have learned in your all the three capitals, AC, academic capital, employment capital, AC, employment capital. So whatever you have learned in these three capitals, you are going to implement this in your life or lifetime, and I hope you will be in touch.
Yes, sir.
I
Of course.
said I hope you will be in touch, and stay happy, stay calm, stay cool, enjoy your life. And at the end,
That touch is not enough.
which
You want which type of touch?
I'm telling at last I am telling there is a very famous quote said by a very famous personality.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very famous personality is, I'll tell you the name at the end. That person said, enjoy every moment of your life. Enjoy every moment of your life. Enjoy every moment of your life, because you do not know where is the end of your life.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Said by Mr. Saurabh Paswani.
Yes, I know.
Okay, I have to do this topic.